I look scary. Oh my god. I look like your sleep paralysis demon. I know you see it. So you sleeping? You're gonna have nightmares tonight just thinking about me. I'm the new Momo. I love it. I love it though. Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite Black Ethot here. Today we're doing a Halloween transformation. It's the first to kick off the spooky season, so I'm super excited. I changed the background to black, to create a more ominous, spooky vibe. And today we're doing a corpse bride, but a Gyaru corpse bride, because it just makes sense, right? Like, it just feels right to me. Sorry if I look a little bit blown out. The black background, I cannot get the little user settings on it, so hopefully I could fix it in post if it don't look good. But then I'm sorry, I guess I couldn't fix it in post. But let's just get right into the video. I'm so excited. I already popped in some contacts. These are the Pinky Paradise Barbie brown one. Something like that. A black circle lens would look best with this, but I don't have a black, I have brown, so that's what I popped in first. And yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm going to start off with moisturizing. This is just the Inculus Peptide Moisturizer. So my skin is super dry and I don't want no flakes. Alright, so now we're zoomed in. First thing that I'm going to do is actually block out my brows, and today we're actually using the glue stick method. I haven't used this method before, so I'm hoping that it turns out okay. Why is this so fucking hard? Got it. This is just Elmer's glue. This one doesn't say non-toxic. I got it at Dollarama, so I might break out into a crash with this, but we live and we learn. We love to try. But I'm just gonna go up, get all the glue in there, and go up. Using a spoolie. Y'all see me do this before, but look how big my brows are. Oh, I want to cut them so bad. I want to shave off the ends. I probably should have done that before, yeah. That's okay. Before that even dries down, I'm just going in with a makeup removing wipe and taking off all of that excess glue. Taking the same method before, I am just pulling it up. Okay, so I'm going in with some Laura Mercier translucent powder, just a beauty blender, and I'm gonna pat that. There we go. Brush, and we're just going to get rid of all the extra. Difficult part. I have just a little face paint palette thing here that I got off of Amazon. I'll link this one down below. I don't know if it's that good, but it was the cheapest one and it works, so you decide. I'm gonna just do it's like a light blue that she is, so I'm mixing just a lot of white with a little bit of blue to get the color. It's the blue, the white, and I'm just using the end of a makeup brush. She's like a really pale blue. Oh, pretty. This is actually a really pretty blue. It's like periwinkle. Why does it look like that on the camera? Oh, that's weird. My settings right now are so messed up. I'm sorry about that. With this specific brand, I find it works better with my hands, but you might have a better one that probably works better with the sponge, but yeah, it's just what I'm doing. The eyes. I look scary. Oh my god. I look like your sleep paralysis demon. I know you see it. So you sleeping? You're gonna have nightmares tonight just thinking about me. I'm the new Momo. I love it. I love it though. You know what? Let me just take this. Oh, I think I just got blue all over my sweater. That's okay. I am naked. This is fine. This is okay. Like what? Like why at blending at this time? What is it, like 6 p.m.? What are you blending? What are you blending? What on earth can you be blending currently right now? Okay, so I think next I'm gonna do the eyebrows. Eyebrows should be pretty simple. I think I want to do them in black liner. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna get onto the Gyaru part. I'm gonna use some white eyeliner just to fill that. Oh, actually, I should do shading for front part. Okay, I lied. I'm going into the Natasha Deneuve, not this. What? No, this is not that palette. This is the Haha palette. If I could open it. Jesus. And I'm gonna just create some shading, some contour using the black color there. Fluffy brush, we're gonna build up colors. Okay, so now kind of like the basis is done. I'm gonna go inside the Gyaru part of it. I'm gonna take a white liquid liner. I think that will just be like the easiest to use. And I'm gonna basically just fill everything in white. Now we're gonna do the black liner, which is gonna be super easy. This is basically lining your eye. And now lashes time. So I'm using my big bitches. Yeah, I think this big bitch for the top, and then I need another like big bitch for the bottom. Okay, let's do lash. So that needs to go here. Oh, I see. That's why they use like 3 or 4. These ain't long enough. Okay, I need like one more pair of lash on top. Ooh! It's coming there, guys. It's coming together. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. This is a lash. No, this is a motherfucking lash. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I am enjoying the eye makeup a little too much, man. Ah. I find it so hard to do lips that's in a different shape than my own, because my lips are literally so defined. Like, I don't know. It's hard to like blur the lines, if that makes sense. I am going to start contouring my neck and stuff like that, and my boobage area. Is it serving cunts? I feel like I look like a bimbo right now, and it's kind of giving, like, I think, bitch, I think it's because of like the heavy contour, like the big lips, like the titties up to like my neck. Like,
the amount of squeezing I have to do to get the illusion of cleavage is crazy. SMHHH.
I'm wearing like this push-up bra, strapless push-up bra, plus this bustier, plus this other top. Like, I can't really breathe, but like, boobs. Boobs. I thought that this wasn't a success. I was looking at myself, I was like, no. But everything together, I think it's giving. It might not be giving. Let me know down below. Yeah, this is the end of the Gyaru. You know, I'm gonna put Bimbo in there because I'm gonna Gyaru Bimbo corpse brag. But for now, this is it. Follow me on my Instagram to see pictures of this look. Follow me on my TikTok just to follow me on my TikTok. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you there. I'll see you next time, and bye.